In today's video, I'll teach you how to log into Burger King Puerto Rico. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Now click on the search bar and type in burgerkingpr.com. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Burger King. Or instead of that, you can also simply open the Burger King Puerto Rico application if you want. Now once you're in the browser, right over here, you'll be able to find the option for sign up. Click on it. Now you'll be led to the sign up interface. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for sign in. Simply click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to sign in to your account. Click on the field of email address. Now enter the email address over here. Make sure to enter the email address associated with your account. Now after you enter the email address, click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll have to verify your email. You can see over here, login instructions will be sent to your email. So what you have to do is simply go to new tab, click on the search bar and type in gmail.com, press enter. Now you can see over here, Gmail has been opened. Burger King has sent me the email. Click on it. Now in this email, you'll be able to see the login code over here. Memorize this code. Go back to the Burger King tab. Now what you have to do is simply enter the verification code over here. Now after you do that, wait for a while. Now you can see over here, you'll easily be logged into your account. So that is how you log into Burger King Puerto Rico. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.